Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making a whiskey cake. What all goes into the whiskey cake? One 18.25 package yellow cake mix prepared to package directions. And you know I could not find any that size, so I got the biggest size I could find, which was 16 and a half. Hopefully that will work. 1/2 cup raisins, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 1/2 stick butter or 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup whiskey. Now the recipe calls for a regular whiskey. I'm going to be using cinnamon whiskey. I just think that would taste a lot better. Let's begin. So the batter is mixed as per package directions. I'm going to just set that aside for right now. Get a smaller bowl. Dump in the 1/2 cup of pecans, the 1/2 cup of raisins, and the 1 teaspoon of flour. Then mix them all together until they're thoroughly coated by the flour. And what the flour coating does is help the raisins from sticking together. Alright, so that looks pretty good. We'll take our cake batter and dump in the pecans and the raisins and stir that in until well mixed. I have a 13 by 9 pan that I've already sprayed with cooking spray. Now the recipe calls for a bundt cake pan, but I decided I wanted to try it with just a regular 13 by 9 pan. And then just pour the batter in. And smooth that out. Make sure it's even. Clean up your mess. Put your cake into a preheated 350-degree oven for 23 to 28 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. While the cake is cooking, we want to make the sauce. So take a saucepan, turn your heat on to medium-high, add your 1/4 cup or 1/2 stick butter, the 1/2 cup sugar, and the 1/2 cup of whiskey. Stir that until the butter and the sugar are melted. And bring it to a boil. And let it boil 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. So the whiskey has boiled for 5 minutes. The cake is not done yet, so I'm going to just put this on low and let it stay hot until I'm ready for it. Alright, so I took the cake out of the oven after 26 minutes. I will do the toothpick test, and it is done. Next, you can take a fork and punch holes all throughout the cake. I'm just going to be using this little stir stick and just make holes all throughout the cake. Alright, so while the cake is still hot, take your whiskey syrup and pour it all over the cake. Get it in the holes. And then I'm going to smooth it a little bit just to make sure that all the holes are covered. And this won't need any frosting since it has the syrup all over it. Alright, there we have it. This is our whiskey cake. All we need to do now is to let it cool completely. We'll do a taste test tonight after supper when Dave gets home. So here is the whiskey cake. I'll let Dave do a taste test.
Okay, what is this?
Whiskey cake.
Whiskey cake. As in made with whiskey?
It has cinnamon whiskey in it.
Cinnamon whiskey. Oh, just a little hint of cinnamon there, yeah. That was really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.